This is what we want to see: beautiful green bean plants stretching for the sky. Green beans are a staple in many homes, and we want to keep them healthy. Today, we're going to have a quick chat about the Mexican bean beetle. Bean beetles are the bad boys of the ladybug or lady beetle family. They will chew on all kinds of beans, eating leaves and pods. Adults have hard exoskeletons and wings. They fly slowly, but they do get around. Adult beetles chew round holes in the leaves. They lay yellow eggs on the bottom of the leaf that hatch into fuzzy looking larvae. This causes skeletonization, making it hard for the plant to photosynthesize and produce food. Mexican bean beetles overwinter as adults and come above the soil in June. There are 2 to 3 generations per season, usually increasing in numbers with each generation. The complete life cycle takes 30 to 40 days in the summer months. Please do the YouTube thing of like and subscribe to help my channel grow. I will be most grateful. Bean beetles lay small yellow eggs in clusters glued to the underside of the leaves. The larvae are bright yellow and spiny and will stand out on your bean plants. So, just to clarify, this one is the Colorado potato beetle, and I have a video on them as well. But you can see the immature potato beetle on the right does have similar markings to the bean beetle. Just remember, the immature potato beetle will be soft and squishy and not have a hard shell yet. So let's talk about ways to reduce the population of bean beetles organically. This is your friend. Meet the spined soldier bug who preys on larvae of the bean beetle and the potato bug. I have a video on making a frog-friendly backyard because the American toad eats beetles and their larvae. Beans like companion plants. Both petunias and dill help repel pests and attract beneficial predators. If you have had problems in the past, you can plant beans under row cover. Also, row cover will help you get beans in a couple weeks early before the bean beetles come out. So you have spotted bean beetles on your plants. Your first line of defense is to kill the adult beetle by knocking them into a bucket or jar of soapy water. Get young family members or friends involved. They will think it's fun. You can also just squish the eggs. Let the girls patrol. Chickens and ducks will eat larvae. For more severe infestations, use spinosad or perithin. Monterey Garden Spray is the one I use. You can check out my books on Amazon. I just came out with a new book on growing fruits. Let me know in the comments what pests you are battling with. I hope you have a fabulous sunny day, and I'll see you next time.